Hello guys! In this video I will unpack Perst-3 combined device. I will speak about its new packaging, I will show you what's inside the kit, and I will show you the controls that are on the body of the device. My name is Anastasia, and Perst-3 is a combined device 3-in-1. Infrared illuminator, infrared laser and visible laser. Depending on color of visible laser, there are two modifications: Perst-3 Green Plus, I'm holding it right now, and Perst-3 Red. The kits of both Red and Green Plus are the same. Beginning with this week, we introduced a new packaging solution for Perst-3. Now all new Perst-3 devices are packed into such an awesome, brutal aluminum box. Looks really cool, and the person who is holding Perst-3 in such a packaging, besides the feeling of how awesome this package is, may have a question how to open it. You need to pull here, but if you are a strong person, you will cope with that. But I do not recommend you to do it. So before pulling here, press here, and it will be easy. Let's see what's inside. The kit includes a manual. It is translated into English, so you have no excuse to ignore that. A screwdriver. It is needed to align the infrared illuminator. I will show you how to do that. A tactical switch. And the device itself. First of all, the body of the device. To turn it on and switch it off, use buttons on the top, on the back, and the tactical switch. I will show you how to use that. But before turning it on, you need to select a mode. Mode selector is here. Now it is in neutral position. This is Russian equivalent for turned off. Everything higher than this position is in infrared. Everything lower than this position is visible. So one by one. IK, infrared, turns on the infrared laser. O, осветитель, turns on the infrared illuminator. IK plus O, infrared laser plus infrared illuminator. This is Russian letter Z. It stands for зеленый, that means green. It turns on the green laser. If you have a red Perst-3, there will be letter K here, that stands for красный, that means red in Russian. I select green mode. I press the button, the device works. After you finished working, select the neutral position. How to replace batteries of Perst-3 device? Battery compartment is right here, and we constantly upgrade all our devices. One of those upgrades was about the process of replacing batteries in Perst-3. Now we have comfortable bigger screws right here to replace the battery without using additional tools. Another good thing about those screws is that they do not fall off, so you do not need to unscrew them at full length, and you won't lose them if you are replacing the battery, for example, not at home at your table, but in some more exotic conditions. Here there is one element, CR123. Near the battery compartment there are two adjustment units. How to adjust Perst-3 device? First of all, you need to adjust visible laser by the iron sight of your rifle. For that, remove those two caps, take a screwdriver, or you may as well use the cap itself. This way. Rotate adjustment units to move the dot horizontally and vertically to combine it with the iron sight. After that, you do not need to adjust the infrared laser separately, because it was adjusted automatically simultaneously with the adjustment of visible one. So you may move to the adjustment of infrared illuminator by the infrared laser. The diffuser is on it now. Diffuser serves to diffuse the light, and if I turn it on now, it will illuminate half of the room with a diffuser on. And if you take it off, the solid angle of light will be more narrow, and you may also control it by rotating the lens. So how to adjust it? Take the screwdriver from the kit and rotate here and here. Do not touch those big screws. Quality products, they consist of some small things that you may not notice from the first sight, but they actually make your experience with those products better. And Perst-3 has a lot of such small things in it. For example, this small additional secret screwdriver. So if you don't have this big screwdriver from the kit with you, you actually have one screwdriver with you, always with you, and it is very handy and comfortable. On the other side of Perst-3 there is a mount to Picatinny rail, and on the back of it there is a button to turn it on and switch it off, an indicator that shows the mode that is on. For example, if it is turned on in an infrared mode, the indicator will be light blue. If the mode is visible, the indicator will be light red. Finally, a place where the tactical switch is supposed to be connected. It is covered by this cap, protective cap. Do not remove that if you do not plan to use the tactical switch. I open it, I take the switch. There is a small red dot on the switch and a small red dot on the connector. You combine them, very easy. The tactical switch has a safety lock, a button to turn the device on and switch it off, and the brightness control. Also, there is a brightness control on the body of the device, so you may control the brightness of all the modes. To remove the tactical switch, pull the ring and close the protective cap. When we speak about devices from Perst line, it is really very interesting to see them in real action on real rifles. We have such videos about Perst-3. I will leave link below this video. You can buy Perst-3 from our official partners. All our official partner stores are stated on our website in partners section. And not long ago we made a huge update of our website, and now English version of it is available again. It is en.zenitco.ru. Check it out, and I will see you in new videos. So take care and goodbye.